Hi, good day to you. This Profiting Forex Trading coming your way again. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how I trade indices profitably on a daily basis with two simple indicator. Let's start from the beginning from scratch. Here's my chart, FRA40. So you can use any indices. So let's start with this. Let's take away this grid on my screen. So can right click and go to click grid, or better still you can just use Ctrl G and get rid of it. Now the candle, let's try and enlarge it. If you are not okay with this, you can actually change the color, which I like to do. Bar down, I'll change it to red. Bar up, lime, I'm okay with it. Then the bull candle, I'll change it to red also. Then bear candle, I'll change it to bull candle rather, change it to lime. Then bear candle, I'll change it to red. After you are done, just click OK. Then we are good to go. So let me go to indicator window. Just click press Ctrl N on your keyboard, and these are the two indicators that I want to use. Uh, Let me start with the first one. This is the first one. If you don't want the alert, you can turn it off. But I use this on the 5-minute chart, and this is how to use it. The principle remain. If you want to use it on 1 hour or higher time frame, any time frame, the principle remain the same. Yeah. When this is how, let me explain this one first before I add the second indicator, so that you know how to use it. Now, once you see this color, this net, if it turns from green to red, then it's telling us the trend has changed, and we are now in a downward trend, which is sell for short signal. And then once it turns to green also, we have buy. We will no longer take sell again on this from here forward, from this point forward. From here forward, the only thing we look out for is buy. Then the indicator has this arrow too. You can enter from here, or you enter from if you want to use this alone, right? Don't use this indicator alone. So let me add the second indicator that I use, so that we can combine it together and analyze the two together. All right, is the second one also. Let me just increase this. Every other thing, other input remain the same, except you want to change the alert. You don't want it to disturb you. Okay, then just click OK when you are done. And here is it. This is how I use this simple strategy. Let me go to 5 minutes. How I've traded it today. I've entered like 2 trades today, and I still have one that is running. Okay, in 5 minutes time frame. And now this is how to use it. Number one thing, let me demarcate it to each day. So the market starts from here today. We have now we have this dot here, this circle here, that give us a buy signal. We are not going to take this buy. One, the reason is this: the net is still red. Or let me change the color to red. Or depends on you. Let me change it to red so that you will know instead of crimson. So when I'm telling you red, you won't be confused. So change it to red here. Change it to red. Then click OK on shut down and close this. All right. Yeah, once we have this net, we are not going to take any buy signal, which is this dot. This dot actually gave us a buy signal, which we are not going to take. And you will wait for the dot to appear for a sell signal. Here is a dot. And why this excuse me, when this dot appear, we have the net is still red. So you are going to place order for your sell here, and you leave the market once this buy dot appear, which is green, telling us to buy. So we are not going to take this trade. We are just going to continue with our sell signal, still looking for a sell signal. Again, we see another dot here telling us to sell, and immediately we place order again because this net is still red. So immediately we place order for a sell, and we follow it through until we see opposite signal, which is this dot. Once this dot appear, we're going to get out of the market and wait again. Now, in the process of waiting, this net turn from red to green, and what it means is this: we are not going to take any sell signal again except buy. And here is it again, we have a dot here for a sell. We are not going to take this. This is wrong, it's against the trend, against this. So now I have another dot here, which I actually took this trade, another dot here telling us to buy, and I place my buy and get out of this trade. And here again we have another one here for a buy. You are going to enter this because the net is still green. So you place a buy and get out from here again. Now that we have opposite signal, this is just a simple way of trading this strategy. And let me show you the trade I took this morning. Before I take this, I recorded this video. Let me just show you the screenshot. Here's the screenshot of all the trade I took this morning: US 100, US 500, FRA, SUI, and EU50. So I took all these trade this morning, and you can see them running before I close it. Yes, this is the screenshot for the day. You can see the date. Today is 30th July. I recorded this on 30th July. So this is how I trade. It's as simple as that. In case you need this indicator, just comment and drop your mail. I'm going to give it to you free of charge so that you can make use of it too. Make use of it too. Uh, I hope you did enjoy the video. Kindly subscribe and do like the video. Thank you and enjoy the rest. All right. Before I leave what I'm discussing, here is another trade that I took and that is still running. This is the chart we are using that I just explained right now here on this. But I have this one that I'm currently running too. This is Jama 30K. Yes, I took this. This is where we are. I explain you get out from this. I have a market, a trade that is running right now, which is UK 100. So I pick the first sell from here, from this arrow. I do use these arrows sometimes because it came with the first indicator, the net indicator. So give us sell here, and here is another one. Here is this one. So I picked this, but this didn't deliver, and which I know, and it retraced and get to this point. So this dot now appear here, the ball. So I decided to place another sell in order for me to make my profit on time. So this is how we use this indicator. This is how we use it. Very simple. You can check it backward. Uh, Check the history. It's simple to use and it's profitable. Just follow the simple rule and you will be good. You'll be good. Don't have any issue trading with this indicator. It's as simple as ABC. Just follow the two rules and you are okay. I will enjoy the video. Kindly subscribe more time if you've not done also, and do like the video. Chat me up, just comment, chat me up, and join our YouTube channel and join our group on Telegram. You can chat me on one-on-one, and I'll be more than happy to actually uh, be of help to you. Thank you and bye.